Hey everybody, this is me back again. So yeah guys, I'm back finally with the kind of videos which I'm supposed to make. That is my skincare, my review, my makeup sort of videos. No more cooking now since lockdown is also over. So my feel of making and trying new stuff related to cooking is also kind of like has lowered down. So yeah, finally I guess you guys also must be happy more. I don't think mere cooking videos itne bure the. I think I have done pretty much a good job, but still I am I myself is feeling so good about the fact that I'm finally doing this video which I have been doing since I started off my channel. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's get started now. Let me adjust a bit of angle first. So yeah, this is pretty good. सो दिस इज़ अ रिव्यू वीडियो. इस वीडियो में मैं वो प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी विच आई हैव बॉट से अबाउट 2-3 months अगो एंड मुझे कुछ टाइम हो गया है इनको यूज़ करते हुए. सो आई नो हाउ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर. These products are. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you the review of all the 4 products which I have right here with me. I have already shown them when I was doing my haul video. So I thought why not to give you my honest opinion on these products. So yeah, starting off, the first product which I have is this CGG Cosmetics Sunshine Kid Sunscreen Facial Mist. This is how the packaging and the bottle looks like. SPF 40 it has, which is I guess a good SPF, and it protects from UVA and UVB rays. Aloe vera, rose water, octinoxalate, and put a ban on unwanted tan. So yeah, this is the product honestly which I got to know about a couple of months ago from a YouTuber. Her name is Anushka. I think you know it, or maybe you're not known about her, but I really was wanting to have a product which is so quick and easy to work with. So I hope agar aapne abhi figure out nahi kiya so let me show you. This is how the product is. It comes with this spray bottle, तो बहुत easy और quick होता है in a jiffy. Whenever I feel like my skin has to be protected, I tend to spray, just say about like this, and I'm sorted, I'm good to go. तो ये एक easy peasy सा product है which I really liked, and the most important feature like I told you is this spray nozzle. जल्दी में आपको फटाफट लगाना है. No more fussy things like you need to take out the product and then rub it and then apply it. So उससे बचने के लिए मुझे ये अच्छा लगा था, which is very cool I feel. And first of all मैं इसके claims पढ़ लेती हूँ जो ये product कहता है, and then I'm gonna be telling you how it actually works. So yeah, CGG Cosmetics is a company on a mission to keep empowering the incredible woman you are today and every day. We pour a lot of love, care, fun, and it says our products are cruelty free, which is a good thing, paraben free, sulfate free, and dermatologist tested and environmentally friendly. And it says so be clean, be green, and most importantly be gorgeous. And like I told you, this is a product of Anushka Dandekar only. This is her product only because you can see her name right here. I hope I am showing you nicely. So yeah, her name is here, that means it is her product only. And it says close your eyes before applying it. Before sun exposure, apply this CGG sunscreen face mist on all exposed parts, or like whether it's your face, your arms, your body. And then 4-6 sprays it says that you are supposed to apply onto your face, and the product will adhere to and be absorbed by the skin. 100 ml of quantity and 500 is the MRP of it. So yeah, this is all the product claims, and it says that a patch test must be carried out on a small part of the area on the hand before each use, and follow the instructions and all of that. So yeah, this is how the product is claiming about itself. But let me tell you, this is a very very good product in terms of protection. Honestly, like I told you, 2 महीने पहले ही लिया, तो मैं इतना स्टेप आउट तो हमने किया ही नहीं है since लॉकडाउन था. So I have mostly remained in my house. but still in the morning whenever I have applied it, it is a very non-sticky and a very light formula, I would say. This is something which I really liked about it, apart from the fact कि ये nozzle वाली पैकेजिंग में आता है, I mean स्प्रे वाली पैकेजिंग में आता है. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही ईजी पीजी सा है, लाइट वेट है और स्टिकीनेस नहीं है, ग्रीसीनेस नहीं है, विच इज़ रियली गुड. सनस्क्रीन्स में जनरली ये मैंने देखा है कि वो थोड़ी सी थिक होती हैं कंसिस्टेंसी में एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई फील उस हिसाब से ये अच्छा है. प्रोटेक्शन वाइज आई फील since I've told you I haven't stepped outside, but still I feel it tends to give a decent kind of what should I say, like protection to my face, to my skin, despite of the fact that I haven't stepped outside. But still I feel whenever I used to like say about once a week or twice a week whenever I have stepped out, मेरी स्किन बहुत ग्लोई और बहुत ही नेचुरल सी दिखती थी और टैन भी नहीं हुई मैं उतना. लाइक से अबाउट टेरिस पे भी घूम रही हूँ सनलाइट में, या इन केस आई एम सिटिंग एंड चिलिंग अराउंड, देन ऑल्सो आई फील इस प्रोडक्ट ने एक डिसेंट काइंड ऑफ जॉब परफॉर्म किया है. एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल एज वेल. मैंने थोड़ा डिस्काउंट पे लिया था टू बी ऑनेस्ट फ्रॉम nykaa.com. सो आई फील अगर आपको एक हैसल फ्री फार्मूला चाहिए, लाइट वेट फार्मूला चाहिए और एक स्टिकीनेस आपको नहीं पसंद है और 2 to 3 आवर्स का अगर आपको प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो गाइस सिंस ये वो टिपिकल वो वाला फॉर्मूला नहीं है, यू नीड टू टेक द प्रोडक्ट डाउन एंड अप्लाई इट, तो आप 3 से 4 घंटे में आराम से दोबारा से अपने फेस पर इसको स्प्रे कर सकते हैं एंड वॉला यू कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड अगैन. सो आई फील फॉर मी आई एम गोइंग टू बाय दिस बॉटल अगैन. यू कैन सी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर नाउ, 2 to 3 यूजेस में ख़त्म हो जाएगी. सो ओवरऑल आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई फील दिस इज़ अ गुड प्रोडक्ट फॉर पीपल लाइक मी who really don't wanna do a bunch of skincare and all of that. So on the go I tend to apply it and I'm sorted for good 3-4 hours. So yeah, discount पे ले लो and it is not going to burn a hole in your pocket as well. Quantity wise also it's good. Like I told you, I guess it's 80 ml. Yeah, sorry, 100 ml it is. So yeah, I really liked it. Very cool and travel friendly packaging it is. Moving on to the second product which I have is from this brand called the Moms Co. This is basically a clay mask. I was really excited, to be honest, to try the Moms Co product. I really heard some good reviews about the products, the kind of formula they have. But yeah, I came with a but now. I do like this clay mask, to be honest. I basically ordered 2 products from the same brand, Moms Co. This is a natural protein shampoo, and this one is the natural clay face mask, like I've already shown you. Firstly, talking about the clay mask, it's good. 600 rupees you need to pay, that is 599, and quantity I feel 100 grams of quantity you're gonna get in this. This is quite a good product. Whenever I've applied it, एक अच्छा glow मैंने अपनी skin पे feel किया है. And yeah, firstly let me read out some of the claims which the product is making. It says apply a thin layer of it and avoid the eye area and keep it on for good 10-15 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. And like Moms Co, अगर आपको नहीं पता, it's a brand which doesn't use chemicals in its products. I feel it is really good. Chemical free product बनाते हैं ये लोग and like paraben free, sulfate free and all of that. So which is really good. Organic sort of products इनके होते हैं. And I'm not gonna read out the complete ingredient list. I mean that is too like a perfect huge paragraph. So yeah, it is for normal to oily skin. Purifies, detoxes and brightens. Moroccan lava, clay and charcoal it has. So basically मुझे एक अच्छा clay mask चाहिए था. मैंने L'Oreal का और आई वुड से कुछ अलग कंपनी के, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ देम, यूज़ किए थे. बट मॉम्स को का क्ले मास्क मुझे चाहिए था, तो आई थिंक ये एक अच्छा क्ले मास्क है. 599 600 रुपीज़ में 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. आई नो इट्स अ टैड बिट एक्सपेंसिव, लेकिन आप अगर डिस्काउंट पे लेंगे तो वॉला यू वोंट बी डिसअपॉइंटेड, क्योंकि अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है. एक रेडियंट सा ग्लो देता है व्हेनेवर आई हैव अप्लाइड इट. एक सटल सा एक ब्यूटीफुल सा ग्लो आता है इसको लगाने के बाद. स्किन ड्राई नहीं करता और अच्छे से क्लेंस भी होती है, विच अ क्ले मास्क इज सपोज टू डू. समर्स में स्पेशली हमारी फेस पे सीबम बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, ऑयलीनेस ज़्यादा रहती है, तो उसकी वजह से आई फील क्ले मास्क आर योर बेस्ट बेट. and this is something which I quite like. I would not say I have gone all gaga over it and I'm gonna be repurchasing it, but yeah, this is quite a decent product. I liked it, discount पे मिला था तो I thought why not to try it. And let me show you from inside. Yeah, this is how the mask looks like. It's quite dirty now. I don't know, I wouldn't say dirty, but this is how the clay mask, you know, always tends to become. I think this is something which is quite weird about it, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा you know black हो जाता है, maybe because of the Moroccan lava, clay and charcoal. फिर भी you know I have used a couple of clay masks, तो वो ऐसे तो नहीं दिखते थे, but whenever I have applied it, thankfully कुछ ऐसा एलर्जी वगैरह कुछ नहीं हुआ. प्लस एक्सपायरी इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है, say about you know 2-3 साल तो आई गेस है, या 2 years from the date of manufacture. So ये overall अच्छा है. You know if I talk about the fragrance, तो इतनी ज़्यादा you know intense नहीं है, mild सी fragrance है. Keep it on for good 10-15 minutes. अच्छे से cleansing हो जाएगी आपके फेस की, excess sebum हट जाएगा. नंबर 2, एक अच्छा beautiful settle सा glow आएगा. And what else? I think this is something which I expect from a clay mask to clean my skin and to kind of give a nice beautiful glow to my overall face. And discount पे लीजिएगा. I would not suggest you to buy it on the MRP. I think अगर discount पे अगर आप थोड़ा सा wait कर सकते हैं, so just wait for the prices to slash down a little. Say about अगर ये 599 है, so it should you know come down to 450 or 400, 350. I mean 400 तक आप wait कर सकते हैं, because I feel डिस्काउंट अच्छा खासा इस पर आता रहता है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द मॉम्स को इज़ द नेचुरल प्रोटीन शैम्पू. First of all, reading out the claims and everything, it says take 2 to 3 pumps of shampoo in your hand and mix it up with a little water and apply on wet hair, and then rinse. Repeat if you like a richer lathering experience. Complete the routine with our natural protein conditioner. Again, you know what should I say, chemical free formula है. मॉम्स को you know केमिकल्स यूज़ नहीं करता, केमिकल फ्री ब्रांड है ये. 429 is the MRP of it, and price is somewhere around I mean quantity is somewhere around 200 ml. Yeah, it is 200 ml right here, and price is 429, and 2 years of shelf life you're gonna be getting in this. To be honest, I am not a huge fan of this shampoo. I have literally you know मैंने थोड़ी गालियाँ बकी है while I was using it. I don't know, you know there is something wrong in this, or maybe I haven't you know understood the complete usage of it. This is a protein shampoo, so the thing which I have you know noticed, आपको ना एक अच्छा सा cleansing नहीं मिलेगा. To be honest, अगर आप चाहते हो आपके बाल ऑयली हैं और थोड़े you know अच्छे से सिल्की हो जाए, बाउंसी हो जाए और सारा डर्ट गंक सब निकल जाए, so this shampoo is not for you. For you know if you want to use this shampoo, I would recommend you use it once a week. Whenever you feel your hair are a little dry and they need a little bit of nourishment, then I would suggest you to go with this, because this is a protein shampoo. This is going to provide protein to your scalp, to your hair. This is not going to cleanse your hair, your scalp. This is not going to you know allow you to get rid of all the impurities, dirt, gunk which we all of us have, especially in this scorching heat. So yeah, it says that this is with coconut based cleansers, wheat and silk proteins, love without compromise, and it says that it strengthens at volume and shine. Shine थोड़ा बहुत देता है because it's a protein shampoo, but I was disappointed because क्योंकि इसने मेरे बाल अच्छे से cleanse ही नहीं किए. You know अगर आपको ये shampoo use करना है, then make sure your hair are little bit okay. I mean they are kind of neat and clean. Do not feel like कि you know एक हफ्ता हो गया and your hair are you know oily and full of sebum and impurities and sweat and everything, then do not go with this shampoo. I would suggest you, अगर आपने asked for example shampoo किया, so after 2 days you can go with the shampoo, because 2 दिन में आपके बाल आपके स्कैल्प इतने गंदे नहीं होंगे. So ये नॉर्मल सा you know नेचुरल प्रोटीन शैम्पू एक अच्छा प्रोटीन और एक अच्छा शाइन देगा आपके बालों को, which is I feel the whole sole purpose of this shampoo is to provide protein, is to provide a little bit of shine, and yeah, that is it. Do not consider it as the only shampoo in your bathroom. You should be having a nice good full on you know a bang on shampoo which can actually clean your hair like from scratch. Like I hope you got my point. So yeah, that is why I disappointed, and I feel this is something which I wouldn't recommend to you. इन केस अगर आपके पास एक अच्छा मास्क है, हेयर मास्क है, तो आप उससे भी अपना प्रोटीन you know रिटेन कर सकते हैं और अपने बालों में एक शाइन और एक you know एक वॉल्यूम ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो या फॉर माई साइड आई फील आई वुडंट रिकमेंड दिस प्रोटीन शैम्पू टू यू. अच्छे से लेदर भी नहीं होता, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, लेदर वही शैम्पू होगा जो अच्छे से क्लेंजिंग के लिए मेंट है. दिस इज़ नॉट मेंट टू क्लेंज योर हेयर एज सच, दिस इज़ मेंट टू प्रोवाइड द प्रोटीन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट व्हाट शुड आई से, लाइक नरिशमेंट टू योर हेयर. तो ये लेदर भी नहीं होता, अच्छे से क्लेंज भी नहीं करता. एंड सो आई थिंक स्पेंडिंग गुड 429 रुपीज़ इज़ नॉट दैट कूल. आई फील इससे अच्छा आप कोई और शैम्पू ले लो. सो या अ बिग नो फॉर दिस शैम्पू. सो या मूविंग ऑन. एंड अगर आपको ये चाहिए ही चाहिए और फिर वो रियली वांट ट्राई इट, देन गो हैड. आई मीन जस्ट गिव इट अ शॉट, बट मेक श्योर आप इसको एज अ कंप्लीट शैम्पू मत यूज़ करो. आप एक अच्छा शैम्पू लो विच कैन एक्चुअली क्लेंज योर हेयर वेल, एंड आफ्टर 2 days post washing your hair you can go with this, yeah, if you really want to try. But yeah, that's completely depends on you. Do whatever you want to, but I would not recommend it. Moving on to the last product which I have is this Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is a brown kajal. Yeah, this is bang on guys. I literally want to rave about this product. I know बहुत पुराना product है, but still I want to rave about it क्योंकि मैंने तो अभी यूज़ करना शुरू किया है ये. This is a beautiful brown kajal and I was looking something of this sort only. Black मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, so this is how the brown kajal looks like. On a daily basis मुझे brown ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. It tends to look quite a bit natural, and yeah, that is why I liked it. Price wise also I feel 275 rupees you need to pay, but नायका पे या किसी भी साइट पे से अबाउट Amazon, Myntra, सब पे सेल चलती रहती है, तो आप सेल में भी ये ले सकते हैं. But the formula of it, the color, the opacity and the longevity, oh my god, this is by far the best kajal I have come across. This is beautiful. Yesterday only I was having it on for good 8-9 hours and it was still there. It kind of faded, I wouldn't be lying to you, थोड़ा सा लाइट डाउन हो गया था, बट स्टिल बज नहीं हुआ, इधर उधर फैला नहीं, और एक इंटैक्ट रहा ये काजल. और एक नेचुरल सा कलर है, लाइक आई हैव शोड यू, ब्राउन शेड है इसका. आई एम गोना rub this kajal a little later so that you can actually see कि ये बज नहीं होता, इधर उधर फैलता नहीं है और टिका रहता है 6 से 7 घंटे. तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑन योर eyelid, on your eyes, wherever you want to apply it. 275 रुपीज़ आई फील थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव लगा था, जस्ट अ डैट बेट. तो थोड़ा वेट कर लीजिए, डिस्काउंट आएगा तो जस्ट ग्रैब इट. And I haven't told you the quantity of it, I guess. Yeah, 0.35 grams quantity, but still इतना सा लगता है. I mean, it is going to last you forever, and I really want to rave about this product. Packaging and everything is so good, and yeah, this is it about this. But before signing off, let me show you. It's been say about 1 minute, and now I am spreading it, trying to budge it. You can see it has kind of got a little lighter, but it has not budged. I hope you can see it. ये budge नहीं होता, हल्का सा light होता है, and that too when you are kind of rubbing your eye like this, then only it is going to get a bit lighter. Otherwise this is beautiful. I really loved it and I would highly recommend it. So yeah, this is it. This is about the video. This is about my review which I really wanted to give about my recent purchases from Nykaa.com. And if you have liked it, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Would mean a lot. And for now, bye bye. Like I always say, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.